At Algonquin College, we define applied learning as the set of activities that combine theory as well as putting the theory into practice. Taking the theory into a laboratory, the shops, work site, and actually performing those tasks as they would in a real workplace setting. I'm Claude Brûlé. I'm the president and CEO of Algonquin College. Both the employer and the student really value applied learning, and the reason is simple, is that it really prepares the students for entry into the workplace. They then have a sense of what the work environment is. They understand the climate, the dynamic. There are aspects of what takes place in the workplace that you just cannot teach in class. It must be learned in the work setting. Another form of applied learning is applied research. We bring industry partners and a problem they need to address, and we use our faculty and our students as the talent pool to address those problems. And they'll be required to do research, work on equipment, often from the employer side. Our students benefit not only from the knowledge they gain, but also in subsequent employment, often with that same employer. So what they learn is invaluable to both them and the employer.